Namaste guys. This is Ashpata from artsandcraft.blogspot.in, and I am back with the special delivery baby boy blue mini album. And this video has taken me a lot of time because I got distracted doing other things, and I quickly wanted to do a flip through of this mini. And you know that I have done a couple of video tutorials on this little guy here, so let me quickly flip through. So this is the front cover, and I just love how this turned out. So I created this banner style front with a couple of those crochet stickers that I found at my local craft store. And these little guys I bought I believe a couple of years ago, and I never used them, so I thought it was perfect for this album. So I have this little, I don't know what these are. I'm so bad at this. I think this is suckle, I believe, and this one is a little baby bottle. So these are there dangling, and then there's a little teddy bear here as well. There's a diaper and a little onesie. So I thought this was pretty cute. And then I have a frame here, and it's not all the way glued, so the people I'm sending this off to can slide a photo of the baby and then glue it down properly. And then I have a nice brad here that is also my closure, and I've used some blue ribbon to complete the closing mechanism, and you can do it either ways. It just holds it closed. And the back is pretty simple. I just have this cut off from the pattern paper. It says special delivery. So let's just start, and this is the inside cover, and there's a pocket here, a large pocket, and a little ticket from the collection. This was part of one of the pattern papers, and it has all the details of the baby. It says baby boy, date of birth, place of birth, and all the important details you would like to fill up from the time of the baby's birth, and a little space for a photo here. And here again there's a frame, and it says Adi, that's the name of the baby boy this album is for. And again, this is not all the way glued, so they can slide a pic here. And I intended this to be for the first photo of the baby, the very first photo, and they can just write first picture. And this is the second signature, the second page, and this opens up this way, and it says daddy, and it also flips over this way, and it said mommy, and it has photo mats on both sides like so. So and for some reason this is stuck again. So these slide in to these pockets, and how I intended this was, this here is a large space for a picture with both mom and dad, and on this side a picture with mommy, and of course more pictures with mommy on this side. And you can of course have a photo here as well. And here I have these grid lines for journaling, so something that mommy had to say about the baby, and on this side something that daddy has to say about the baby, his feelings and stuff. And this flips over like that and closes, and this is the second signature, and this has large room for 4x6. And again more picture here, and I absolutely loved how this turned out. So there's a large pocket here, and you can have a large picture here or do some journaling. And it has these three tabs in here which can hold 3x3s on both sides, and on top it says first cereal, first fruit, and first veggie. So the baby can have pictures of pictures having his cereal for the first time, and some writing on the other side, and that's how that was intended. And it has this little bottle picture here, so that's how I intended this part to be all about food pictures. And this side, this flap opens up this way, and this is the one which is the one with the envelope. And here you can tuck in more pictures, an entire 4x6, another picture here, And this here, since it had the teddy bear here, I intended this area to be maybe a picture with the teddy bear, or maybe the baby's first toy or favorite toy. So that's how this was designed. So pictures of the baby with his favorite toys. And on this side, this is the third signature. This one says first tooth. So there's another photo mat here. And of course you can tuck in more pictures. I'm just going to add that later. And you can tuck in more pictures and more pictures on these sides as well. And this opens up, and this has 2 feet down here. So how I intended this was, this both sides have 2 areas here, and this has 2 hands. So I was hoping that the parents can get the baby's handprints and footprints and add them on these 2 pages. So that's how I designed this part. And here is of course the growth chart. You see in this in the tutorial. So this has all the height, weight and all details that you can fill in as the baby grows. And this is up to 36 months, that is about 3 years I guess. So I thought that was pretty neat. So that's how I intended this part to go. And of course on this side again you have another photo mat, and this says first haircut. So you can have more pictures of that. And on the back of this signature you have a large pocket, and it has this little fold out for more photos and journaling, and another one of those baby boy brads. And again of course you can add large fold here. And here again there is this little ticket, and this says adorable first. So you can have a picture sliding underneath that, and it has a lot of little details I can barely read. It says first smile, claps, waves bye-bye, please peekaboo, and so on and so forth. So there's a ton of those little things there, so they can write down the dates there and have some pictures here as well. And on the back here, this here is a simple flap, and I just have a little tag from the special delivery. I believe that's the Kaiser Craft ATC tags. I guess this belongs to that one. I'll put it in the description box. So that ATC goes right in, and of course you can have a large picture here and tuck some memorabilia underneath there as well. And on the back here is again some large area for pictures, and you can tuck something back here. And this has 2 photo mats for more photos and journaling, and these tuck right in there. And on this side, I really love this. This paper was so gorgeous. And I have a little the suckle crochet sticker from this collection. This was part of the same thing of this one as well. So I have that sticker down there, and you can of course something can slide right underneath. So you can have a large 4x6 here, or 2 small pictures. And on this side again, this is room for a large picture, a large 4x6 like that. And this page was intended for the sleeping baby photographs, and I just love how this turned out. And if you see the tutorial, this flap, you can actually slide your picture underneath here, and I just love the 3D effect this has. Because obviously the stickers are popped up, and I used the flap to my advantage, and I added this, and it just imagine a picture of just baby's face sleeping, and it looks so adorable with this little crib and this baby, I don't know what these are called, baby, I have no idea what these are called, some dangles, something that you hang over the crib. So that's how this page turned out. And on the back here again, I have a large tag, and you can slide something underneath. A picture can go in like that, or you can tuck 2-3 pictures in, not glue them down at all, just tuck some here. And on the very last page, I have a large pocket, and I just have this little photo mat to indicate that there's a pocket here. And these are for some extra pictures, and of course you can add a picture here, some more writing here. And it has a little diaper brad from this collection. This was one collection. So I use a lot of stickers here. So this was, and brads, of course. So, and that's the back, and that's it. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, as much fun as I had making these, and I made 2 of these. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to spread some love and subscribe. Bye bye.